Today we are doing a thrift flip challenge and we are heading to the Goodwill to see what we can find. I saw this beautiful fishbowl and it was only $150. So you know I'm gonna take it as a big, nice size, and I have some ideas. I also found this little bowl also for $1 and these beautiful wine glass. Let's head out to the second thrift store. I also found this beautiful wreath for $4.99. I thought it was a steal. And this beautiful vase for $2.99. Oh my God, I found these beautiful crystal candles. I found two for $3.99 each. And guess what? They don't give out bags or nothing. You had to buy the boxes. So I bought the box and now we are going back home to see what we can create with these beautiful pieces that I found at the secondhand store. So I gave it a really nice clean and now they are all dry. So now the first thing that I'm gonna do is just use hot glue and glue the fishbowl and this other white bowl together. This is gonna come out so beautiful. Isn't this gorgeous? I am totally in love with this piece. I have some white sand from Dollar Tree. I had it, I don't know how long ago in this Ziploc bag. So I'm just gonna add this white sand and I'm also gonna be adding some of these black gemstones and I'll just use one package. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating it with some of these succulents. Look at how gorgeous this is turning out. And this is it for the succulent. Look at how beautiful this fishbowl turned out. Absolutely gorgeous. I also have some of this twine. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around the top and the bottom of this fishbowl several times. And I'll be doing the same thing to the bottom portion. This has turned out to be amazing. I am totally in love with this. I also thought about putting maybe like a big candle in the inside. I'm gonna need ideas because soon I'm going to be redecorating this and I would like to know how you would decorate it. Leave it in the comment section. This is it for this beautiful DIY. For $2.50 plus the tax that I paid, I think I did pretty well. What do you think? So in a few seconds, I will show you the final review. I hope you have enjoyed this project. And if you do, please consider subscribing, sharing, and like. And don't forget to leave it in the comment section your thoughts about this beautiful bowl. Today I'm participating of a third Thursday thrift flip. Open invite. It takes place every third Thursday of each month and it is being hosted by Tammy, the Rustic Widow, also Elizabeth, Rustic Chic Designs, and their co-host this month is The Robin's Nest by Terry. I'll be leaving the links to their channels down in my description box. Please make sure to visit them along with the playlist. Don't forget to give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. So I purchased this beautiful platter. I thought they were going to charge me $4, but when I went to the register, they charged me 50%, which was $2. I was so happy, I started doing the Cabbage Patch dance right in front of the register. No, just kidding, I would never do that. So I'm going to wipe it down really good just to take out all the dust and whatever else it might have. And as you can tell, this platter was $39.99. Let's go ahead and wipe it down really good, and then I'm gonna come in with my antique wax, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give it one entire coat. So I came in with this metallic gold paint, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dab all of these designs over here. And I'm gonna do that to the entire platter. I think this was such a good bargain. This platter is heavy duty. It's a good quality platter. So when they put the price of $39.99, if you think about it, it's worth it because it is a beautiful piece. So once I'm done doing this here, I'm gonna distress it with the same metallic paint, and it's gonna start looking kind of yellowish, but once it dries out, it doesn't look like that. It looks really nice. So stay until the end so you can let me know how you like it. Now it's time to add the handles. I took some of this white out, and what I'm doing is I'm marking where the holes are at, and then I just place it down here, and now I have a marking of where I should drill the holes. I've seen people do this with toothpaste. This was a perfect fit, by the way. I didn't make a mistake or nothing. They fit absolutely perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other handle. A little bit of white out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it down on the platter, and this is where I'm gonna be drilling the holes at. And of course, they're gonna go on the opposite side. Then I'm just measuring it through this side. And there it is, nice and simple. I also took the handles off camera and I gave it one coat with the metallic gold paint. And there they are, all painted, and everything is completely dry. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and screw in these handles, and I'm telling you, it was just a perfect fit. Let me know in the comment section how it is that you measure it. Do you measure it with toothpaste, or what do you use? I love learning new tricks, so if you have anything new that I don't know, just leave it in the comment section. Give me some ideas. And here it is. I hope you enjoyed this second project. I am in love with it. With this beautiful cup, I added some of that twine on the bottom by the handle, and I'm gonna use the same metallic paint. I'm gonna go ahead and start dabbing the entire middle section of this cup, and it's gonna turn out so beautiful. And once it is completely dry, I come in with some Spanish moss, some moss, and some succulents, and this project is completed. This was nice and simple, and yet so beautiful. And I also want to ask you not to forget about that playlist. Make sure to go visit these talented creators and give them a lots of love. And here we are with the final review. I hope you enjoy it. For our final project, I found these candle holders. These are so beautiful for 50 cents. And they were so dirty. But I saw the beauty. I said, let me take them home and give it a good wash with plenty of water and soap. And here they are, nice and clean. I'm going to use the same metallic gold paint, and I'm going to paint only the rim. I'm going to do this to both of the candle, the glass. And these candle holders are so beautiful and unique that I really didn't want to either paint it or nothing, because the bottom part is real brass and I just did not want to mess that up. So all I did was just go ahead and paint the rims on both of the glass part, and then I came in with this gold marker that you find at Craft to Square at Dollar Tree, because I knew that I would not be able to make this straight line with that dabbing brush. So all I did was just take the marker and draw a line and make sure that it was, look semi-even. And this was it. This is something nice and simple. And I also added one of those long candles from Dollar Tree as well. And now we are almost at the end of the video. If you have enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. And you can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I would love to interact with you on these platforms. And just remember that this is part of a collaboration. Don't forget to go ahead and visit those talented creators and show them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking their channel. I want to thank my subscribers for always stopping by and supporting my channel. I love you from here to the moon and back. Without you, I would not be where I am at. And if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing so you could join the family. And I will see you in my next video.